9 new buy and sell signals based on new trading indicator. Good day, everyone. This is Total Investor here. And on this YouTube investment channel, what we do is that we look for trading and investing opportunities in stocks, commodities, and cryptos using technical analysis. And before I go any further, I should say that everything I say is for educational purposes only and should not be used as financial advice. And I'd like to ask you to please subscribe to this channel. That way you'll be updated whenever a new video comes out. Okay. For those that are subscribed, you probably know that I found a new indicator out there that has been giving some very good, reliable trades, profitable trades. Certainly not 100%, as there is no indicator that is always going to be 100% profitable. Okay. But over time, it does make money, and I'm going to show you that. Okay. Last week I did show you how much money it made on certain trades, and they are continuing to do so. So I'm going to find, or I have found, I believe it was 7 buys and 2 sells, okay, that you probably are very aware of these particular stocks. The first one is Brookfield Renewable Corp, okay, the stock symbol is BEPC. Just recently, the last buy was way back in late October, gave a buy signal just around, say, $24, give or take. You would have been in to the sell signal back in mid-January, $29 when you would have gone out approximately. So let's call it $5. That would have given you a good 20% return in 1, 2, 3 months. 20% in 3 months, not bad. And it would have saved you $5 decline in the stock. Now we've got a buy signal that came on Friday. Okay, and how nice is this? It actually broke the downtrend line from the top where that sell signal was. So worked out nicely here. Okay, so this is a buy. BEPC is a stock symbol. Next, Costco Wholesale, COST. Obviously, we got news out on Friday, and I want you to look way back when we got the 2 buy signals ago. It was back in early November at just over $560. I think it was actually like $575. It was a buy. Then like 2 months later, actually less than that, gave a sell signal at around $660. A buy signal again just after that at around $670. And today, what happened is that it actually broke this upward trend line. Now, it still has not given a sell. Should you sell? If you are in, I would, simply because it has already corrected too much. It could be, the signal could be like a day late, 2 days late, a week late, who knows. It already broke through that resistance, and that's what a lot of traders are looking at. Plus, look at all this volume that has gone through on that. Okay, so sometimes it's a little bit early, a little bit later. You're not going to get 100% of the move, but this trend line should at least have gone you out. And again, these last 2 signals on the buy, that was profitable, and this one was profitable. Okay, so that is Costco. Next, Gilead Sciences, GILD. Strong support here at around $74. That's an area, give or take. And you've seen like some very good trades. This was a buy and sell. Again, 1 month out. Not a lot of money, okay, but it's still profitable. Here's another profitable trade. Got you out, but you would have been in again after a couple of days. Then this one we got slammed here on some news, so that's unfortunate. That one would have been a loss, but it would have prevented you from this huge decline here. Okay, now we've got another buy signal that happened on Friday. It broke that previous support level, so that is the new buy. How high will it go? Well, that remains to be seen. With some of these stocks, you might want to consider using a trailing stop. So as a stock moves up, move your stop loss order up. That way, you get to keep most of your gains. GILD is a symbol on that one. 3M, this one is one of my favorites. If we look here, the sell signal back in early September, it saved you a move all the way down to, well, what's that? That's like a $25 drop, okay? Then it gave a buy signal the very first of November at around $90, all the way up in 2.5 months. So from 90 to around 105, 15. What's that? It's more than 15% return for 2.5 months. That's not too bad considering this is 3M. Okay, it's a huge conglomerate. You can't expect to double your money in a short period of time on something like this. Okay, but this sell signal saved you from a, what's that? 20. I can't do math in my head. $15 drop. Okay, approximately. So that was good. And now we've got a new buy signal. Again, this one happened on Friday. Currently at around 93 and change. Okay. Please keep in mind with all these stocks, it depends on how well the market does. If the market starts to crash, you're not going to make a whole lot of money. Okay, please keep that in mind. But again, we don't get too many signals with 3M. That's good, and they've been good buy and sell signals. Okay, 3M is this stock. Next, we've got Merck, something similar to Costco. Gave a buy here in December at around just in the low 100s. Went up 127. Was approximately when you got out here. If you got out in a timely fashion. A good percentage-wise return, 25% approximately, over 1 to 3 months. That is not bad. Most people don't make that an entire year. Actually, if you did that an entire year, that would be fantastic. Now, here you are in 3 months with Merck. Well, it too, just like Costco, as I said before, it broke its trend line. Okay. Luckily, this gave the sell before the trend line. So you've got 2 reasons to be getting out if you are currently in Merck. Okay. Next, Annaly Capital Management, NLY is a stock symbol. Sell signal way back in late September saved you from a $6 decline. Gave a buy back in early November. A sell in near the end of the year, so that one was profitable. The sell signal saved you a few dollars here on the way back. Gave a buy on the beginning of March. And finally, it broke the downtrend line. So you got 2 good reasons to have gone in at least Wednesday of this past week. Still a good buy. How high can it go? Well, if we look at this particular pattern from here, 14.5 to 20.5, that's what, $6 from the bottom. We're talking about maybe $24. That's just the price target. Again, it is not a guarantee as to where it will be going. It is just a target. You get out when you get the sell signal, or you get other technical indicators that are confirming, or you've got it hits your stop. Okay, Annaly Capital Management, NLY is a stock symbol. Next, Solar Edge Technologies. This one, the last signal is way up here. It's not shown here, but it saved you a huge decline of about, what's that, $60? No, more. $80 decline. Finding a pop, a sell about a month and a half later. Not too much money on that one, but it saved you from another $20 decline. Another buy signal with a drop. Again, not a lot of money in this one. Hopefully this last buy signal will be the one to make some money on this particular stock. Okay, it looks like it. I did not draw the downtrend line. I guess I should have, but some of you might want to wait until that also breaks the trend line and then buy. Again, use a trailing stop loss to keep on raising the stop on that. Solar Edge, SEDG is a symbol. Next is Snap. Great buy signal at the bottom here in mid-October after it broke the trend line and this particular bullish wedge pattern. That was at around $9 a share. and it moved all the way up to 18, gave the sell at around 16. So that was a very, very nice percentage-wise return over 1 to 2.5, 3 months. Not bad. But as I mentioned to you on the last video, this particular signal does not give good buy and sells when it's caught in a very tight trading range and it just moves back and forth. Unfortunately, there isn't any technical indicator that I'm aware of that you can use to make money in this kind of a tight trading range pattern. You just got to wait. Okay, so sell by, and you just get eaten up by commissions. Okay, and bad fills. Okay, so from sell, at least this one gave you, it saved you a few bucks when it came back down. From here, we've got some support at around 10.5. It bounced and gave a buy signal that is back on Wednesday. So this one looks good for its next move higher. Snap, SNAP. And finally, the last one is Upstart. This one, unfortunately, gave a few too many buy and sell signals here. It caught the big ones here, like back the buy signal from November to the end of the year. Saved you a few bucks back here. This one was not profitable, but it saved you from another, $7 slide in the stock. Now we've got a new buy. Personally, I would wait until we've got trading and breaking above this downtrend line. Okay, so I believe that is it on this one, again being Upstart, UPST, the last one. Yep. Okay, so again, for those who have not subscribed, please subscribe, and YouTube will notify you when we get or when I publish a new video, which seems to be sporadic. There's no set day or time of day. If you can comment, I'd love to hear what you've got to say about this new indicator or any stocks that that you want to see. I'm still putting some finishing touches as to how I want to use this indicator with a short-term, intermediate-term stocks, what else I want to add to it, and just to fine-tune it and hopefully make it more profitable than what it really is. And I know that some stocks seem to work a little bit better, so I'm going to follow those ones more often. And also a big thumbs up if you think that this video deserves it. And one final favor, please help promote this particular video and channel on Twitter or Facebook or Reddit, wherever it is that you use on social media, and hopefully we can make this channel go further. With that, I will see you in the next video. Thank you.